Lighthouse for Life family. Thank you so much for all that you do to support Lighthouse for Life through your prayers and your giving and all the things that you do. We could not do what we do without you, so thank you. My name is Heather Pagan, and I am the Survivor Support Director at Lighthouse for Life. I am glad to be with you today because we are going through all the staff so you can get to know each one of us, and today is my day. I'd like to start with showing you this picture. This is a celebration picture because 2 years ago, we just cut the ribbon on our drop-in center. And so today, I would like to share with you some of the services that we have been able to provide just for the month of May. So in the month of May, we have been able to provide transportation for women to get back and forth to our drop-in center. And the cost of that has been $1,219. Now that's just for transportation. These women don't come with cars or sometimes even licenses, and so we provide them with Uber rides to and from our drop-in services. And so that cost just for the month of May has been $1,219, and that has brought a woman to and from the drop-in center the days that we're open. And just so you know too, like we do advocacy, and those advocacy hours that we have provided for the month of May are 37.5 hours. So not only do they get to come here and have laundry, do their laundry, have a shower if they need one, we provide meals every day that we're open, and we provide empowerment classes, but mostly the survivor advocacy hours, the hours that we put in to listen, get to know, and what the person needs are and how we help them navigate those resources. It takes a lot of manpower. And so, but we are super thankful that we have a drop-in center, that we can do that, and we can provide a safe, healthy place for women to come and provide them with those resources. So I do thank you for all that you do to provide support to Lighthouse for Life. We cannot do what we do without you. So thank you.